Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, revision of 13th chapter. Chapter name is Internet is going on. Today we are on the topic of home page, page number 91. So let's start revision. A home page is the first web page that appears when you visit a particular website. The home page usually includes basic information on the theme of the whole website and links to other related pages. Students, whenever you open any website, when you give the command to open, after that you can see a page. The first page of this website is called a home page. The first page of any website is called the home page, and this page includes the basic information according to uh, basic information of this website. It can be in the form of text, it can be in the form of graphics. It provides you a basic information about your website. Okay, it linked other related pages. This first page linked other related pages of your website. Okay, now for example, here this is the address of a website, http www.nationalgeographic.com/ is the URL of National Geographic website. This is the URL for National Geographic website. When you type this URL, the home page of National Geographic website appears. You can see this is the home page of National Geographic website. Okay, you can see many more things on this page, just like animals, daily news, like that. If you click on them, the linked page open of this website. Okay, next, links. What is links? A link, also called a hyperlink. A link is also called a hyperlink, is a kind of electronic connection between one web page to the another web page. Now you can understand what is link. Link is a hyperlink, is a kind of electronic connection between one web page to the another web page. Each link is a bit of text, usually shown underlined and in a different color. Okay, it can be different color or it can be underlined. Okay, or an image that when you clicked loads the other page into your web browser automatically. Now you can understand. Here you can see different colors. You can click on them and can open next page. Now uses of internet. You know uses of internet? I think now you well knows uses of internet, because today's we are taking online classes. This is done by the internet. Okay, this is also done by the internet. Internet, uses of internet, so many uses of internet: emails, chattings, video conferencing, news, sports, weather, searching information, online classes, etc. So many uses of internet are there. So let us read here. The primary uses of the internet is communication. The primary use of the internet is communication. With the help of this internet, we can communicate with each other. We can communicate with each other in the form of text, in the form of audio, video, etc. However, there are many forms of communication which branch out across the spectrum of sharing information. Now you can understand. The internet improves and brings into existence many of these forms of communication. We can communicate with each other by sharing the information in the form of text, in the form of graphics, in the form of videos, in the form of audios, so many in many types, in the form of many we can share information. In many forms we can share information or we can communicate with each other. Next is email. Email. Email is a short form of electronic mail. Email, E means electronic or mail means mail. Okay, electronic mail. Email is by far the most popular service on the internet. This is the most popular service on the internet because all knows about the email. Okay, we can send applications to any person with the help of email. We can send any information. We can add with the help of email of our product. Email is very popular service on the internet. A text message, graphics and even sound and video files are sent through the email to any other user on this email address across the world. Can you understand? Means with the help of internet you can send email, and email can be a text message, it can be a graphic, it can be even a sound or video file. Any type of message you can send with the help of email. But first you have to know the recipient address. You have to know the recipient email address. If the recipient email address is correct, then you can send any information to with the help of email. To send or receive email over the internet, one must have an email address. Okay, suppose you want to send an email to me. Okay, I am receiver and you are sender. Means I am recipient and you are sender. You have to know my address. If you knows my correct address, then you can send me any email. Okay. To send an email, type the message in the text area and enter the email address of the person to whom you want to send it in the to field and click send button. The email is delivered almost instantly to the recipient sites that offers free email account are Gmail, Hotmail or Yahoo Mail among others. Okay. Students, in next class I will show you a practical how we can send an email to other person. Okay, today this much is enough. You have to read this. If you have any doubt, then you can ask to me. But email, in next class I will show you practical how we can send email to another person. Okay, bye bye, take care.